He's throwing up everywhere, Parker. I'm not the one to clean up this mess, okay? Jesus Christ. Kog'Maw, stop. Puking does not solve your problems. You're not going to be a supermodel here in a couple of days, okay? This is not how you solve your problems. Nigga, get the hell off me. I don't enjoy your schlempering with me. I don't enjoy that.
Oh shit, I missed the
I don't enjoy your acid on my bod. Wow. Fuck you! Get away from me! Got him.
I saw that.
Fuck you. I like deflected it. Oh, survive that. Ah, don't hurt me, you sick son of a bitch. Hey, when his skin turns red, should I run away?
What do you mean? Oh yeah, that's when you activate his W. It does, it gives him water range and it does percentage damage of your health.
Ah, I see. That was so dumb how I didn't get that kill. I ulted forward and everything. I planned it out perfectly to where I knew that he was gonna Q me, so I just fucking threw my tornado. This is bullshit, man.
Oops. See what I did there?
Oh, I forgot there was no minions. Fuck this Jinx, she's taking my farm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, you're gonna die.
I got it.
Didn't even hit you.
I know, so I said I got it. Come to me, you flying piece of shit. Bah! Bah! Ah, fuck. What? Oh no!
I'm attempting to reconnect.
Yeah, you're kind of just standing there in the middle of the battlefield, actually. If we get pushed back, you're dead.
Don't let him push it back then.
Yeah, I'll stand in front of you.
Dude, I don't know what's happening.
Okay, you're running back now. You disconnected from the game. I got 1 CS out of all those freaking minions. You done kicked his head off. So Jax is here. Help me.
Oh, you're good.
No, help me. Oh, he knew I was there.
You see, you're good. You're good. Jack's thinking.
He was the one that got me killed.
No, you got it all wrong.
That's not funny, Parker.
I thought it was kind of funny.
Of course you thought it was funny because you're the one who left me. We could have killed him.
It wasn't tactical retreat.
It wasn't tactical. Got him.
Good job, Bryce.
It's called a that is called a tactical retreat right there. I'm a warrior fighting ninja samurai.
Warrior fighting ninjas.
Fuck you, Lulu.
I want the kill.
You can have it. You think I give a fuck? You kicked her into me. Oh, that's great. What are you doing? These are mine. Are you upset about me? Here's some wolves. Here. You want these ones? No? Okay. Here, you want that? You need that. How about that? Okay, let's go this way. Come on. Get him! Let's get blue buff. Parker, you want blue buff? I don't need it.
What?
Come on, get blue buff. Parker, what are you doing?
I'm getting the skull crap.
No, you're getting blue buff.
Okay, I'm coming.
You better hurry, I might die. There you go. Do you forgive me yet?
No.
You want to do Baron? Let's do Baron. God!
I think he was talking something bad, dude.
We did it. We got Baron. Check this out. I'm gonna go freaking one-shot this kid. Did you see that, dude? I just stabbed him in the guts.
They surrendered.
Is that the third game in a row they surrendered in?
Yeah.
What the fuck?